Good morning children, I hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now today we are doing S4 from Doc 6 living things, humans, whether plants or animals. How they are similar to plants or animals we are going to compare. In the previous class we have noticed the difference between the plants and animals. So we have known the similarities and differences between plants and animals. Now today we are going to compare that humans whether they are similar to plants or animals. Okay children, look at the table here. Humans. Plants, they cannot move. So they are not similar to humans. Now humans, they can move by walking. Even animals also can move by walking or running. So here they are similar to the animals. Now they can move by walking, running. Even animals also can move by walking or running. They eat plants and other animals. We humans will eat plants or even other animals. In the same way, animals also will eat plants and other animals. That means both humans and animals, they depend on plants for food. So here, these humans will show similar characters to the animals. But plants, they prepare their own food. They do not depend on any other animals or humans. So this is not similar feature to the humans or animals. Whereas humans and animals, these are showing similar features. And they only give birth to the babies. Humans will give only birth to the babies, whereas animals, they lay eggs. And also some animals, they directly give birth to the babies. So here, this is the difference between humans and animals. Whereas plants, they make seeds. With the help of seeds, they make another plant. We can make another plant. So this is the difference where humans only give birth to the babies and some animals they lay eggs and some animals they have babies. Okay children? Now see the next point. Humans breathe through nose. We breathe through our nose. Whereas animals they breathe through nose, skin or gills. Some animals they use nose for breathing and some animals use skin for breathing and some animals they use gills for breathing. So they use different parts of the body. So whereas humans we use only nose for breathing. So here these two are the similar features which shows humans and animals, and these two are the differences which shows humans and animals. Similarities, what are the similarities? They can move by walking. The animals also can move by walking. They depend on plants. They eat plants and other animals. Animals also eat plants and other animals. They give differences. They only give birth to the babies. They lay eggs and have babies. And they breathe through nose. They breathe through nose, skin or gills. So these are the similar features. By these features we can say that they are more similar to the animals. Humans are more similar to the animals. So these similar features you can read it in the reader. Now open your reader children. Open your reader, page number 42 children. Humans, animals or plants. Are humans animals or plants? Their bodies cannot make food like a plant. They eat plants and other animals. They give birth to babies. They can move from one place to another on its own. These are the things that animals do. Their bodies cannot make food like a plant. Are human bodies making food like a plant? No. So their bodies cannot make food like a plant. They eat plants and other animals. They give birth to babies and they can move from one place to another on their own. So these are the things which animals also do. So humans are said to be animals. Now you are going to write here glossary living things and non-living things. Okay children? See the important point, did you know? All plants do not reproduce through seeds. Some reproduce through leaves, stems and roots also. Now, see the practice questions. Today you are going to complete 7th and 8th. Explain how humans are animals. Explain how humans are animals. So already we have discussed how humans are similar to animals. They eat plants and other animals. They give birth to babies. Humans eat plants and other animals. Humans give birth to babies. Humans can move from one place to another on their own. So these points you are going to write. Now see the 8th answer. Do plants have feelings? Explain how. Yes, so plants are also having feelings. How? How can you say that? Some flowers, they close their petals at night and open them in the morning. So, and also the leaves of some plants, they close when we touch them. So, by this we can say that even plants are also having feelings. Now, open your workbook, children. Open your workbook, page number 37, children. S4, write today's date. Humans, plants or animals. Write 4 ways in which we are like most of the animals. So we are humans. So how we are similar to the animals, you are going to write. We move place to place. We breathe through nose and we reproduce by giving birth to the babies. We eat plants or other animals. So how we are similar to animals? We also move like an animal. We also breathe like a animal. We also reproduce and we also eat plants or other animals. Write 3 ways in which we are like plants. Now how we are similar to plants? The 3 ways you are going to write. We eat food. Plants also need food. We breathe. Plants also breathe. We grow like plants also will grow. So these are the similar features how the humans are similar to plants. Now see the third one. Write 3 ways in which we are different from plants. Plants breathe through leaves. You are going to write 3 ways how humans are different from plants. So plants breathe through leaves. Humans breathe through their nose. Plants make their own food. We eat plants and other animals. Plants reproduce through seeds. We have babies. How we are different from a bird? Birds fly in the air and they lay eggs. Whereas humans, they walk on the land and they have babies. So, how humans are different from birds, living thing to living thing, there is a small differences. The differences you are going to write. Now, how we are different from a bird, you are going to write. Complete the workbook. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next class.